Torres for rebound, pass to Bosik Grano. Valiesa. Torres, acrobatic shot. And foul. Number 1, Bailon. Bailon's second foul and first for the team. 2 shot by Torres.
Acrobatic shot din eh. Kung may super layup, merong acrobatic layup.
Kung may super layup, may acrobatic layup din. Second free throw by Torres, ready jumper. Rebound. Sebastian to Paredes. Pass to Bailon. Montoya. Sebastian, 14 seconds shot clock. Rebound. Sebastian, good for 2 by Sebastian. Valiesa pass to Timate. Crossing the midcourt. Timate dribbling the ball. To Secreto. Valiesa, crossover. To Timate. Shot clock down, 8. Still. Turnover. Bora ng Ellis. Montoya for the inbound. Pass to Valiesa. Crossing the midcourt, top of the key. Pass to Montoya. And still, Binoya to Torres. Secreto. Secreto ay may akong bola. Shot clock down, 14. Pass to Dimate. 10 second shot clock. Valiesa sa ilalim. Reverse, good for 2 by Valiesa. Valiesa dribbling the ball, crossing the midcourt. 8 minutes and 20. Pass to Montoya for 3. Rebound, Secreto. Pass to Dimate. Good for 2 by Dimate. Paredes. Pass to Valiesa, exactly 8 minutes. Score natin, 35-51, 35-51. Sebastian, back to Valiesa for 3. Rebound, Torres. Pass to Binoya to Dimate. Back to Secreto, 7 minutes and 45. 14 second shot clock. Pass to Secreto. Valiesa, 5 second shot clock. Rebound, Bailon. To Valiesa. Crossover. Good for 2 by Valiesa. 37-51. Secreto dribbling the ball, 14 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. And still Paredes, pero may foul. Foul jersey number 10, Binoya. Binoya first foul. And first for the team, exactly 7 minutes. Paredes, pass to Valiesa, dribbling the ball. Magandang gabi po kay Sir Amber Apigo. 14 second shot clock, Bailon for 3. Rebound, Dimate. Crossing the midcourt. Dimate yan. Pass to Binoya to Secreto. Secreto signaling the play. 14 second shot clock. Dimate, jump. In and out, rebound. Binoya put back. Rebound by Paredes. Pass to Valiesa. Valiesa layup. Good for 2 by Valiesa. Valiesa for the inbound. Pass to number 11. Secreto dribbling the ball. Crossing the midcourt. 6 minutes and 10. 14 second shot clock. Secreto jump. Good for 2 by Secreto. Exactly 6 minutes. Valyesa, crossover, layup. Good for 2 by Valyesa. 41-53 ang score. Secreto crossing the midcourt. 14 second shot clock. Pass to Valyesa. Shot clock down, 10. Rebound, Paredes. Pass to Valyesa. Crossing the midcourt. Valyesa layup. Good for 2 by Valyesa. Number 9 for the back to number 11. Secreto to bring the ball. Crossing the midcourt, top of the key. 5 minutes and 15. 14 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. Rebound, Binoya. Mandatory sub. Good for 5 Binoya.